Hey man, thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos. We're going to show you here how to troubleshoot a gas car. That way, whether you can see if it is a solenoid bad or a starter or a micro switch, something like that. This car here had a bad solenoid, and we already changed it, but I just wanted to show y'all how to test it. Turn the key on. Alright, and it runs now. Before, when you would hit the gas, the solenoid would click, but the car wouldn't run. So we jumped the solenoid, and it told us the car was bad. It told us the solenoid was bad, so we replaced it, now it runs. Alright, what you want to do here, on your two small posts on the solenoid are your activating wires. One's your hot, one's your ground. Alright, we want to put your voltmeter on DC 20 volts. And go ahead, Matt. We're going to put the leads of your meter on each small stud. Alright, then you want to, let's see here. You want to hit the gas and see exactly, it should show 12 volt when you hit the gas. Alright, so that there shows you the solenoid is getting voltage. And what you want to do if you're not getting voltage, you want to take, say you want to take the red lead of your meter and put it on the blue wire on the small post, the red lead right there. And the black lead put on the main negative. Alright, and then you can see you got voltage already. So that tells you that post is getting voltage. So then the other post, you want to put your lead on your meter there, on the other stud, and put on your main positive now. And when you hit the gas, you get voltage. Alright. And then you can go from there. If you're not getting voltage on one of them, you can figure out which one it is, and it'll lead you to your problem. It might be a micro switch, it might be a key switch. Alright, man, stay tuned. We'll make some more videos. If you got any questions, hit me up.